Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that's really culture driven. This shoe was only made because it's a special day in New York City, and they have a parade going on. June 9th, 2019 will be the annual Puerto Rican Day Parade that we have here in New York City every year. So Nike usually comes out with a shoe. It's usually an Air Force One, but there was a lot of backlash out of the Air Force One that they designed this year. So I think it was two shoes that they was coming out this year because they still came out with one. We're talking about the Puerto Rico Air Max 1. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop new content to the channel. And be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT for the latest drops and dope pictures and things of that sort. Follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. But I know y'all tired of me talking. Y'all don't want to see me talk about nothing. Y'all don't want to see me talk without nothing in my hands. Y'all want to see the shoe. So let's get into it. Alright, here you guys go. Air Max 1, Puerto Rico, 2019. Let's get straight into the shoe. It's two different shoes. Y'all gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna put one down and I'll pick it back up in a minute. But here you guys go. This is the left foot. You have the blue suede going around the whole shoe, pretty much. You got the blue swoosh, red upper hair, white, blue, and red shoestrings. On the tongue, it says Nike PR Air Max 1, which is something different, leather. On the inside, you got a red swoosh, got the red airbag, white, blue, and red sole. Clean shoe, man. This shoe is clean, man. You got the red with the shoestrings going to. It's a very clean shoe, dope shoe, man. Got the mesh in the inside, typical Nike insole, Nike Air insole, man. These are clean, very dope shoe. This is just the left foot. We're gonna get into the right foot in a moment, man. But I just want to say, can't forget about the Puerto Rican flag in the back, on the back panel. Cannot forget about the Puerto Rican flag in the back on the back panel, with the blue, white stitching going around, the blue suede, red mesh inside. Clean shoe. Here you guys go. Right foot has the red suede going around the shoe with the white stitching. Have blue right here. Got the red mesh swoosh. Got the royal blue mesh swoosh. Got the Puerto Rican flag back here. On the tongue, white and red, it says Nike PR Air Max 1. And on the inside it says magenta. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It says magenta. I'm not Spanish. I'm not Spanish, guys, so I can't really pronounce everything that well. I just want to say, great job, Nike. You guys put together a dope shoe, and this shoe came out very clean. Like two different shoes, mixed up the colors, put the red, white, and blue in different places all over this shoe. Red, white, and blue shoestrings to go with it, with the blue tips. And on the other shoe, it has the red tips. Oh, it has red on one side and blue on the other side. I don't quote me there, man. I thought it was just different on both shoes. Got the blue airbag here, clean. Nike, I must say this is one of the better Puerto Rican shoes that you guys made in a very long time. This shoe, clean. If you disagree, leave it in the comments below. But I think you're bugging if you disagree. This shoe is just clean and well put together. It's a great representation of the Puerto Rican culture with the flag and everything that's going on. Dope shoe. And it's just super clean, man. You can't go wrong with this, man. You got the white leather hair up here. Come on, man. You can't go wrong. This shoe is clean. White mesh toe box. Come on, guys. Killing me? Shoe is fire, man. But it's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm going to definitely have to give this shoe, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies. I think Nike did a great job. You guys can congratulate yourself. Y'all got this one right. Usually when y'all do coaching stuff, sometimes I get it wrong. Sometimes I get it right. This is one of the ones y'all got right. Let me know if I'm bugging or if I'm tripping. Leave it in the comments below. But I think Nike got this one right. And this There's no debating it, man. There's no debating it, man. Like, clean shoe, clean shoe. I don't know what else to say about it, but a very, very clean shoe here from Nike. I gave it 4.5 pennies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.